Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you love tech, unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So in this video we will talk about how to clear Chrome history permanently. For this, open the Chrome app on your device. Now at the top right corner tap on the three dots. Now click on the history option. Now click on my activity.google.com. Scroll down to see all your history. Now, click on Delete option against Filter by Data and Product. Tap on Always option. Now, you only need to select those apps that you want to delete your history. Here, I am selecting Chrome and search. After that, tap on Next option and click on Delete option. Now, click on Got it. Now, go back to the previous page. Here, again click on the three dot line. Now click on the history option. Click on delete browsing data option. Now from here select all time option and click on delete data. Click on delete, and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.